All right.
Let's do a couple.
Let's go to Eric. Eric, go ahead. You're on the air.
Hey, now.
Hey, now.
Hey, JJ, great movie. I saw Super 8, but come on, man. You guys really fucked up at the end of Lost.
End of Lost.
Did you fuck up the end of Lost or not?
Did you come back for the end of Lost? No.
Here's the thing. I really loved it, but, you know, what do I know? I thought it was amazing and incredibly emotional.
Right. You were happy with it.
What was the island?
Yeah, what is the island?
Oh, God.
Answer it now. It's all over.
Get Damon back in there.
No. Hold on a second. This guy's right. God bless you, Eric. I put a lot of years in with that show.
Yeah.
What the fuck is that island? You never answered it. What is it? I want an explanation.
Can I ask you a question?
Right now.
What answer would ever satisfy that question? Like, what
Gary, lock the doors. You can't leave. Answer a question. Don't give me a double speak. What was the island in Lost?
The island was a real place. The island was real, and everything that you saw happen on the island happened. And it was there was a
Then what was that black smoke?
But how do you describe? The question is, how do you describe magic? You know what I'm saying? There was something. What Damon and Carlton, I think, were doing at the end of the series.
Robin, do you understand this? Listen,
I was lost. I think the title was appropriate.
Do you think JJ knows what the island was?
No, he's bullshitting.
I think you're full of shit. You don't even know what the island is.
But that's the point of it. It was a place where
we were never supposed to know.
I think I don't think you ever were. But by the way, if you were supposed to know the absolute answer, you would know.
So where is it? Why can no one find it if it's a real place?
You got to get Damon here and ask him these questions.
And what about the smoke? What was that?
Did you ask Damon these very questions?
No. What is the smoke? Just have me answer that. That shitty black smoke that happens. What is that?
This is the beauty.
Is that a being?
This is the beauty of my going off and doing Mission Impossible 3.
Yeah.
Is I left during the first season of Lost to go do that movie and then to do Star Trek. Damon and Carlton were running that show.
Okay, so you don't know the answers. The answer to Eric's question is you don't know what the island is.
I would not want to answer that question because Damon and Carlton would be able to answer it better.
Wow. What a cop-out.
So you didn't even ask.
What's the matter with you? You didn't bother to ask.
But here's the thing. They were working on the show. What am I going to do?
Quickly. Derek, go ahead. J.J. Abrams, his movie is Super 8. It's in theaters now. It's a wild ride.